The VanVan went for its MOT. It failed. So yeah, it failed its MOT. So in the UK we have a thing called the MOT if you're not from here. So it's just to make sure cars use the road are road worthy. But it's just basic checks to make sure things like tyres, brakes, engine, things are working as they should be. And you're not going to crash and die or kill other people. Pretty sensible really. My bike generally sailed through the MOT. The only real problem was the brake pads. They're worn out, very, very worn out. And I think that's probably got something to do with my trip around the UK in 2022. I had lots of luggage on the bike, using the front brake a lot, obviously, going up and down all those big hills. So yeah, they're just worn out. So got some new ones, some EBCs, reputable company, and I'm going to fit them today. And then tomorrow, re-MOT it, and hopefully we'll have some good news and happy motoring for the rest of the year. Let's go. Hey. So I think the installation of everything went quite well. So now I think we'll just take a spin around the block, see if we can bed the pads in a little bit, and just quick shake down to make sure I didn't do anything really stupid. Let's go. Okay, so we're just going to take it a little bit easy around the block, not going anywhere particularly far. Just want to make sure I get up to sort of 30 miles an hour, super quiet around here. And then just do a few sort of stops. So let's speed up a little bit. Okay, it's 25, and on the brakes, down, 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 down. Okay, let's go again. Braking performance is awful, as you would probably expect. Get up to this junction, that's 30, and on the brakes, that's a bit better. Okay, we'll speed up again to 30, and brake. Brake, 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 brake. Yeah, it's getting better every time. And brake. Brake, brake, brake. Yeah, good, it's getting better. Just takes a few goes, really. It's 30, brake. That's good. Just leave it at that. That's good. I think it's just going to take a bit of time to bed in properly, but that's true for most new brakes. So yeah, but already they feel much better than they did, so that's good. That'll hopefully do us all right for tomorrow. So yeah, let's put her away, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. Wish her luck. That's it, dropped it off. Retest time. I'll see you in a little bit and we'll see how it goes. The VanVan passed. So that's another year happy motoring with this little nugget. Just take it for a ride home and then call it a day. But I'm very pleased that it passed. So something that is a little interesting is I didn't have to pay for that retest, which is quite cool. I don't know how many retests they let you do without paying. I shouldn't think it's that many. Yeah, I didn't have to pay for that one, so that's good. Save some pennies. They would have charged me to fit those brake pads £127, I think they said. Which is a lot of money. I think it cost me, all in all, because I already had all the tools, it cost me less than £25. So, actually, that's a bit of a bargain, I reckon. A little bike like this, it should be affordable. You shouldn't be paying £120 or pounds for brake pads. I figure a lot of that money must have been labour, but it just seems like a lot of money to me.